In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see the storage breakdown on your Chromebook device to see how much storage is being used. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the launcher and search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings here. Open that up. On the Lots panel, scroll down and select System Preferences. And then on the right side, underneath Storage and Power, select where it says Storage Management. And then you can see how the breakdown goes from apps, browsing data, any files you have on your computer, as well as system. You can select certain items to see how it's broken down on your system. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.